Sleep Associates. Today I want to review some of the appliances that we use here in our office to help patients who snore or who have sleep apnea. A lot of people don't know what they look like, so I just wanted to take this opportunity to show you how small they really are. This is just a few of the different devices that we use here in our office. The way that we determine which appliance that we recommend for each patient is we do an exam, we take a look in your mouth, and we also have a conversation. And from there, we talk about the different features and what might work best for you. All of the appliances that we make here in our office are custom made specifically for you. We don't use any of that big goo in those trays that go in your mouth. We do everything digitally. We use a wand to take a three-dimensional picture of your teeth, and then we have a custom appliance made for you. They're small, they're discreet. They usually come in a case that looks something like this, so they're also easy to travel with. And just as a reminder, for those of you who aren't familiar with the oral devices, the way that they work is they go in your mouth and there's an upper component and a lower component. And what that does is that it helps keep your jaw forward and from falling back. And this helps open up the airway in the throat so you get a better oxygen exchange. This is all we do here at Premier Sleep Associates. It is our focus, it is our specialty. If there's any way we can help or if you have any other questions, please let us know.